Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set your own custom wallpaper using the program Lively Wallpaper. So, I'm going to go ahead and open the application from my system tray. And now I'm going to click on this plus icon at the top right. This is the Add Wallpaper button. Now I can simply drag and drop a file into here. For this example, I'll be using a video of clouds in a mountain landscape. I've dragged and dropped it. I can name it the title. Let's say Clouds Time Lapse and click on OK. There we go. It's finished processing. So now I can set that as my own wallpaper and I can also customize it. I can also change things like the saturation, the hue, the brightness, contrast, and just the general color profile. Let's give it a look. Looks pretty good. But let's say I want to make it a little faster. Then I would increase the speed slider just a little bit. Click on OK and look at it now. There, it's much smoother than compared to before. So that's how you can set your own custom wallpapers in Lively Wallpaper. I hope you were able to learn something new and thank you for watching.